Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and it's another reading. My energy is a bit better. I've been feeling very tired and low, and I will start doing personal readings from next week. To the people I haven't replied, it's been long, I haven't replied to any emails. I will reply soon, like over the weekend, and I'll start the reading soon. So let's see what is the energy. I feel some kind of a balance restored in a relationship. Let's see, some kind of a reached an understanding, and some kind of a talk which is already given you a bit of a clarity. Yeah, I told you, something that comes from the cloud, the cloudy. When it's cloudy you can't see well, and this side is so shiny and clear, so things are going to get clearer. That's what I said, the balance is restored. I feel a relationship that's healing, on its way to healing. This is new beginning, new leaves, new energy in the relationship. Like I'm also, my energy is better today, so new energy in the relationship, a hand coming from unclear times, misunderstandings, not talking to each other, any kind of things that are not clear, to something that brings you clarity. Okay, and also the person is ready to offer you clarity, or ready to offer you the things that you wanted, to make the relationship better. I definitely feel balance being restored, like the momentum of the balance being restored has started. Yeah, the Fool. It's beginning of anything. Zero is the first card. It all begins, major arcana begins with the Fool, the zero. And I feel the person is ready to take risks with you, come towards you, and has a lot of plans and unplanned things also. So I get unplanned, this could be surprise you, unexpected call, they'll drop unexpectedly, or unexpectedly you'll see that the balance is starting to get restored in the relationship, because you are ready to work on it. And this little thing here, the little bag, okay, it doesn't have much. I feel they will not carry much of the burdens or the problems of the situation that you've been having, the relationship, and they'll move forward with that. A lot of times when the person comes back, or you talk, you've got a lot of baggage, you start talking about things that went wrong, instead of trying to solve how you can solve things and move into the future. I definitely feel the person is all ready to start from the beginning, in the sense, forget everything that's happened, and start the whole relationship. Like, you said the slate is clean, now you can start again. It's like a new chapter. And when I think of a Fool, I also think like something like childlike, has not really learned like the tricks and manipulations also. So I feel the mind games are also going to be less. Somebody's going to come out clean. Okay, that's another message that I get. I'm getting number 7 a lot, so you could be a June born. I'm also getting July born. I was just going to say June also. I'm getting Y as a letter. Number 9, yeah, some kind of happiness is coming your way. See, the talk, the understanding, understanding each other, the clarity of thoughts, the clarity of what the argument is and how to resolve it is coming, because the parrot talks a lot. And somebody who's been silent, I feel somebody who's been silent will talk a lot, or is so ready to give you clarity, or so ready to talk to you. I feel the silences will also be broken, and something is going to make you happy, because 9 of Pentacles is fine life, having a nice time. Maybe they take you out on a fancy dinner. I mean, you're happy. I also get buying a new dress, because you've already been asked to go on a date. You love wine, or they love drinking wine. I get red grapes. Maybe you love red grapes, they love red grapes. I get the word necklace with a blue pendant. Maybe they bought you a necklace with a blue pendant, but necklace I get. Guys, when I'm looking away, yesterday I was not distracted. It was just like my mind was not, the energies were not right. Remember, when I'm looking away, I'm channeling, trying to get more messages. Yeah, parrot. Something to do with a parrot. Oh, you might see a parrot. Somebody's gotten you news. It could be a friend, or it's a message or a call. I definitely feel silence is broken, or the whole thing that become real. Both of you had become very silent, or there was no talk. Yeah, it's broken. This is talking. 3 of Pentacles, working towards something. This is redecorating. Normally when you see this card, redecorating, this is, you guys are redecorating the relationship, making it happier, doing the things that bring out the best in the relationship. That's how you redecorate. You could be an earth sign, you could be dealing with an earth sign. You've got the number 3 there. You could be a March born. Sorry, you could be dealing with the March born. September also seems to be important. I'm also getting the letter T, T for Tam, T for T. I'm getting the color turquoise quite a lot, okay? Happiness. You could be an October born, you could be dealing with an October born. Next 10 hours or next 10 days, this is happiness for you. All the cups fill with joy, everything you wanted. It's like the person is holding you, almost not like letting you get away now, or it's like forever, you know, and you've cleared the misunderstandings. There are misunderstandings have been cleared, and you can take the next step in the relationship is what I get. You could be noticing a rainbow. You could see a rainbow soon, or in a book. It's also like telling each other what we've built, you know. Look at the hands. It's like we built this. Yeah, the sword has been taken away. No more fights. Taking the energy back. No more fighting. This is the message that I get. See the clouds clearing. That's another message that I get. The clouds are clearing. The sky is blue. Blue color is extremely important. I'm getting blue, turquoise. The skies are blue. It's beautiful after the rain. The mud is settled. If it was hazy, it's clear now. Yep, you found a way to get out of it, okay? To get out of the situation doesn't mean out of the relationship, or you guys have gotten out of a relationship. You guys have got out of a problem, you know, and set yourselves free from the problem is what I get, you know. The woman is wearing a blindfold, okay, also feels like you both were stubborn about something, not ready to see the other person's problem. That's another message I get, you know. Just talking about your problem, not ready to see the other person's problem. But now I think you both have an open mind and seeing the problems or trying to resolve it with fresh, new energy. Yeah, Queen of Swords. See the clouds, I'm not going to say are rising, this is how I see it, are settling down, and again clear blue skies. You see someone coming, it's almost calling, you know, all the hands are like that. See, calling out, thanking the universe for playing this role of getting you guys together. You could be dealing with an air sign, you could be an air sign. I think we didn't get the wands till now. We've got all, yeah, we haven't got wands. Let's see. Yeah, choice. You're making this choice with open eyes. You're going to make this choice with open eyes. Yeah, no more just, you know, following things blindly, because when you're blindfolded, you don't know what to do. You're going to make the choice, right choice. You're going to involve your heart and your head in this. 2 is also your heart and your head is what I get. Yeah, this was the burden you guys were carrying. This is the burden in the relationship. Things were not right. You didn't know where you were going. Maybe that was one of the problems. You both did not know what is the next step, or where is this argument going, or you know, where is it leading to. Yeah, but happiness, I want to say happiness galore. That's the words that coming to me. Maybe the letter G is important. You've got a lot of water sign coming up, emotions, cups, celebrating something together. I also feel 3 friends. You could have a common friend, 3 of you celebrating something, an event, something, an anniversary or birthday that falls on the 3rd. The date could be 3 or could add to a 3. I feel you're 3 days away from a big celebration. That's what I feel. So I feel a healed, a relationship restored, silence broken. Let's see what are these messages. Spirit guides, please give me a few messages that I need to tell my people. 2 came. I'm scared to get in touch with you. So they were getting scared because of the silence. I'm in a shell now. So, I mean, or both of you were in a shell, you know. There was silence. See, we didn't get a fire, but we got a fire sign here. Fire is here, so there is passion between you two, and you could be dealing with a fire sign. There could be a fire sign. Fear of rejection. There was fear of rejection, definitely. One of you thought that if I approach the other one, there's fear of rejection. Maybe both of you were thinking that way, that the other one is going to reject. You've got an air sign, so air is communication. Communication big time, both of you. Mind games, remember? Mind games. No more mind games. I feel mind games will be over. Follow your intuition. Involve your head in your heart. I have been through hell. So I feel both of you have been through hell without each other. I have been through hell twice. Oh my God, what hell is this? What the hell is this? Twice. I was wrong. So one person owning up will solve it. One person will come forward and say, I think I was wrong. This is the real thing. The love between you two is the real thing. You both are like, you've got memories here. I am upset. Somebody is not happy about something. Don't reject me. So this is like you getting scared in the mind, like don't reject me, and I'm here. So definitely, see, I picked this up and you've got ego. Both have ego. Focus on the right problem, okay, and things will be fine. That's what I feel. What a beautiful reading, guys. Let me see. Anything else? Any other cards? One more card. Oh my God, I said this. Heal the heart. Your heart is healing. Heal your heart. When you heal your heart, when you feel nice, you both are ready to talk. If you talk in anger, you'll fight again. So heal your heart and both are ready to talk. So thank you so much. I think balances are being restored. There's communication. Silence is broken. And you're going to talk to each other. And there'll be much, much clarity in the relationship. Okay, guys? Take care. Bye. And I'll see you again. Bye.